Hello, I'm Ed Connor, the Acting Federal Insurance and Mitigation Administrator for the Federal Emergency Management Agency. I wanted to take a moment to thank all of the agents and insurance professionals who on a daily basis support the National Flood Insurance Program. Flooding remains our nation's most costly natural disaster, affecting every state and causing an average of $2.46 billion in insured damages each year. Given the far-reaching effects of flooding events nationwide, FEMA is encouraged by the President's signing of the NFIP Re-Extension Act, which extended the program through September 30th, 2011. The program remains strong, and FEMA will continue to meet with members of Congress to stress the importance of the NFIP and the need for long-term authorization. As insurance agents, you are flood agents, and being a flood agent means reminding your customers that flood insurance is a critical part of their home or business coverage. It's something they cannot afford to ignore. You are the ones that property owners will often turn to first for expert advice and counsel on risk protection in general. That puts you at the forefront of FEMA's effort to improve our nation's understanding of flood risk. We count on you to be well informed about various flood insurance options so that you can advise clients in the best manner possible. So on behalf of the NFIP, I ask you to continue to make flood insurance a priority and to offer it to your customers as the only way to truly protect themselves from the financial consequences of flooding. Please visit agents.floodsmart.gov for a wealth of information tailored specifically to agents to help you talk about and sell flood insurance policies. To all of you, my best wishes for a happy holiday season and a safe and dry New Year. Thank you again for your continued support of the NFIP.